Hello everyone, so today is the winter, January 6th in Lithuania. It's snowing. We'll see what is the temperature outside, inside our car, because it shows. So we have here the Skoda Octavia 2010 1.6 turbo diesel, 77 kilowatts. So this is how it looks after 10 years. I didn't make a cleaning, but anyway, it's very snowy here and it's very slippery. So this is the car, how it looks like. I didn't have any major accident. Well, I had quite strong here. There was a very strong hit. If somebody needs, you can write in the comments. I will try to. Well, I will write to you. I will send you a photo how it was hit. So this is very nice car. It's very economical. Even in the winter, it takes just 5 liters per 100 kilometer. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna see how it works on the cold. It's not so cold, just minus 1.5, but still I will make it like this, so everything is turned off. Now everything, this is how the car looks like. Okay, so let's start the engine. I don't have start stop. This car doesn't have this modification. So let's go. Let's wait until the full, but I will just, it's very, oh, now it will be a little bit, because barely can see everything here. Okay, this one I cannot do that, so it's quite snowy. As you can hear, there are some sounds from the engine, but now it's already a little bit dropping down. Oh, that's a mistake I made yesterday. I shouldn't put it on. So hopefully I'll be able to drive normally, but I will make sure I doesn't drive too fast. Okay, so it's dropping a little bit. Okay, so this is what we see here, and the snow is still snowing. Whew. I will use this one from the back side. Anyway, I can use okay, hopefully, maybe I will go outside and just make some, it's very, so what I can say, I do not touch this the body because it's not good. But when it's very heavy snow, so yes, I do, because it won't look so well. Now the car, even after so many years, it's still so shining. It's really good looking. Okay, whew. Let's see what it shows now. Okay, let's get inside. Whew, so cold, my god. Okay, so it dropped down completely, so we are fine now. We're ready to go. So as I mentioned to you, I made not a small mistake, quite a huge mistake. So let's go. So this is when it's completely down. This is how it looks like. So let's go backside. Okay. Oh, it's safe. No worries. Just so it's all fine. Okay, let's take a look at some of the statistics. So consumption, the high consumption, the whole is of range 1721 kilometer, because it's all temperature. Now it's 0, consumption now 0.6. Okay. Okay, let's make it 1. Over 2. Okay, it's cold, so on this cold engine I will not test my lovely car. So this is how it looks like. The car is really nice. And if I put auto, still shows because it's quite darky. Okay, we have auto. This how to say? Here is, yeah, we have auto drive here. So I put it off. Sorry. We have this very nice thing. I will try this later. So guys, this is about the Skoda Octavia. I will make shortly the engine, how it looks like inside. Whew. Also, I put myself this thing. But one important thing is that if it's plus, even +1, it's very dangerous to drive with this one. It's unsafe because the engine, you will have to monitor the everything. So yeah, keep in mind that. So looks, it's working okay. Seems fine. Let's take a look at one more thing. Okay, so let's turn on. Okay, so even on 19 degrees it rises, as you can see, but it's okay. But after like I don't know, like this scale shows like this, it will disappear, so don't worry about that. So this is the big range I driven, so 324,000 kilometers. It's very huge, but it's really nice. I mean, the car still works fine, no errors. There were some EGR Yes, there was EGR because I was driving on very low rates. Like you have to drive at least on a little bit over 2000 or like this 1.8 because it's not good for the engine because of the EGR, of the ecological this I don't know, I can show you later what I'm talking about, but you might guess what this is for. Ecology, and I have changed it. I have changed it almost 1 year ago. Yeah, I've changed it on December. No, something like that. So I changed it, and I had to make a computer sign in. So EGR didn't show up. Okay guys, so basically that's all. This car is really nice, I loved it. Okay, so stay tuned for more videos, and I will show just quickly one more time how it looks like. Just complete car, legendary Skoda Octavia. Very nice car, lovely, and I'm still keeping it for a few more years. And basically, wow, let's see. I don't know if you see it, you barely can see dooms, but the thing is that even if you make full throttle, like put the pedal to the end, still there are no dooms, no at all. We made a testing on so-called Lithuanian Regitra. You can check on it on Google. So he made a full 5,000, I think, almost 5,000 RPM, and it didn't show any bad sign. So that's it about this car. That's my lovely Skoda. So this is what it looks like. I will also make the lights on. Whoa, nice, nice. Just a second, I will make. Oh, it's lovely. Yeah. So I'm using this type of tires anyway. Okay. This is the information which might be beneficial, but on the other side I use different ones. You can see it's different. Okay. Some full. So these are different, and they are really good. I mean, they are already 2 years, already second season, sorry, not 2 years but second season. And this one looks like this. They're also quite nice. They're doing very good job. Just make, I will show the full. Okay, so you know, today it's 6th of January, year 2021. Yeah. Also quick view of the inside. So more or less it's clean car. It's snow. Whew. Here we have. Everything is fine. Ooh, it's cold. It's really cold. And let's make this sign. Okay. Whew. So this is how it looks like. Also there showing. Oh, it's very cold. Oh my god. It's so windy. So how it looks like. Okay, nice car, really. But I have a few problems here as well, like this door. You can open it. Sometimes yes, sometimes not. The windows are working, everything is fine. Whew. Okay, so as you can see, all is working. Okay, so guys, yeah, sorry for taking a time. So 0.8 now is taking. Can auto, this one working finally. Okay. So I turned everything on, it's dropped to 0.7, you can see. Okay guys, so stay tuned for more videos. I hope you had fun. I know I did. So, and this is my lovely thing I have. Okay, so peace out.